So good afternoon. Once again, we will start today's lecture. Now we are discussing today transmission parameters. So transmission parameters are denoted by using A, B, C, D capital letters. So we are starting with a common diagram, that is the two-port network. Having two pair of terminals, that is one dash. This will be two dash. Okay. Now variable as usual, plus minus V1. This current is I1. Here the port 2 current is I2 and port 2 voltage is plus minus V2. So this diagram is common for each and every parameter. So next one, here the ABCD parameters किंवा आपण म्हणूया transmission parameters, the transmission in bracket ABCD parameters okay, are represented by port 1 voltage, that is V1, port 1 voltage V1 and current I1. म्हणजे एकाच पोर्टचे एकाच साइडचे व्हेरिएबल घ्यायचे, पोर्ट 1 voltage V1 and port 1 current I1 in terms of port 2 voltage in bracket V2 and current I2. So by observing this statement, by reading this statement, what we get here, V1 and I1 we are representing in terms of V2 and I2, means V2 and I2 acts as a independent variable and V1 I1 acts as a dependent variable. So we can write here V1 comma I1 acts as a dependent variables, whereas V2 and I2 acts as independent variables. Now up to now what we have seen, Z parameter मध्ये कसं होतं, V1 V2 म्हणजे एका पोर्टचं व्हेरिएबल आणि दुसऱ्या पोर्टचं व्हेरिएबल असं दोन डिपेंडंट असायचे. सो V1 V2. नेक्स्ट Y पॅरामीटर मध्ये I1 I2. नेक्स्ट H पॅरामीटर मध्ये V1 I2 म्हणजे एकाच पोर्टचा आणि दुसऱ्या पोर्टचा. बट हियर इन ट्रान्समिशन पॅरामीटर और ABCD पॅरामीटर V1 I1 both are of same port, एकच पोर्टचे आहेत ना. So this is the speciality of a transmission parameters compared to other three. So other three मध्ये काय असायचं, डिपेंडंट व्हेरिएबल, एका पोर्टचं व्हेरिएबल आणि दुसऱ्या पोर्टचं व्हेरिएबल असं असायचं. बट इन ट्रान्समिशन पॅरामीटर और ABCD पॅरामीटर, whatever the two variables are there, dependent variables are of same port, that is of first port. So V1 I1 acts as a dependent variable, V2 I2 acts as a independent variable. Now parameters here, transmission actually denoted as capital T, but it's denoted by A, B, C, D. So here the equation will come like this: V1 and I1 acts as a dependent variable. V1 and I1 acts as a dependent variable. Now parameters will be A into V2 minus B into I2. So V2 and I2 acts as a independent variable. A, B, C, D are the parameters. C into V2 minus D into I2. So A, B, C, D are parameters. V2, I2 independent variable. V1, I1 dependent variable. Okay, now this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. One more differentiation point is there. One more special point is there. In each and every parameter there will be the plus sign here. But in case of transmission parameter or ABCD parameter, the minus sign is there. Always remember. Okay. So in each remaining parameter there will be plus sign, but in case of transmission parameter or ABCD parameters there is a negative point or negative sign, okay, in between. So why it is negative? So B is not negative, B मुळे negative नहीं है, so it is due to I2. So in transmission parameter what we are doing, why it is negative, I am telling the answer. So in transmission parameter this port acts as a input port किंवा transmitter म्हणतो आपण, transmitting end. Okay, I will write here transmission end, transmitting end, and this point acts as a receiving end or receiver. Okay, so how we are transmitting the signal from transmitter to receiver? So the flow of signal will be in this direction, transmitter to receiver. But according to this direction, minus I2, why we are taking minus I2? This I2 will be reverse. If you are comparing this flow of direction with this current, then it is opposite. That's why I2 we are taking as a minus. So this minus is due to I2. Have you understood? Okay, so if anyone asking is the question why it is minus, so answer is that as we are using transmission parameters in the transmission lines and theory, so in that case we are transmitting the signal from transmitter to receiver or from one station to another station. So the flow of direction is in one direction, receiver करने येत नाही ना. So in transmitter transmission parameters, if you are comparing this flow of direction with this current, these are the opposite. So that's why I2 we are taking as a negative. Okay, this is the reason why we are taking the minus here. So this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Now we are finding out ABCD parameters. So how we are finding out ABCD parameters? By putting the condition. So what will be the condition? As usual, the method will be the same. So what will be the method? Put I2 equal to 0, I2 equal to 0. If you are putting in equation number 1 and 2, you will get A and C. You will get the equation for A and C. If you are putting V2 equal to 0 in these two equations, you will get B and D. Okay, so method to find out parameters will be the same. So what will be the condition? I2 equal to 0. I2 equal to 0 म्हणजेच काय करायचं? Second port you have to make it open. So V2 equal to 0 means second port you have to make it short. म्हणजे फर्स्ट पोर्टला काय करायचं नाही. Whatever you are doing with respect to second port only. First of all, you have to make it open, find out A and C. After that, you have to make it short and find out C and D. Okay. So now we will put the first condition when I2 equal to 0. When I2 equal to 0, that is I2 is second port related current. So that is port 2 to dash is open circuited. जेव्हा current 0 असतो तेव्हा काय म्हणायचं? Open circuit. When voltage is 0, we can call it as short circuit. That is port 2 to dash is open circuited. So according to that, you have to draw the diagram. But when I2 equal to 0, port 2 to dash is open circuited. So you will get two parameters A and C. So A is equal to V1 upon V2. So condition is that I2 equal to 0. So next one, C is equal to what do we get? I1 upon V2. I1 upon V2. So condition is that I2 equal to 0. So what is the name of this parameter? A चं name काय आहे? B C चं नाव काय आहे? त्यांचे units काय आहेत? Can you tell me? So A is equal to what? V1 upon V2. So whenever V upon V is there, we can call it as voltage gain. But it is reverse. Why it is reverse? 2 वरती असायला पाहिजे, 1 खाली असायला पाहिजे, तेव्हाच आपण फॉरवर्ड बनतो. आता इथं उलट आहे. That's why it is called as reverse voltage gain. So what we are doing here? Open circuit. I2 0 means open circuit. So the name of A parameter will be open circuit forward voltage gain. Sorry, it is reverse voltage gain. Okay, open circuit reverse voltage gain. So what is the unit? Unit is unitless, no unit. Okay, voltage gain means V divided by V. So open circuit voltage gain, reverse voltage gain. So C is equal to I upon VA. So whenever I upon V, we can call it as admittance. I upon V असेल तर काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला admittance. But it is I1 is port 1 and V2 is port 2 related variables. So open circuit C is called as what? Open circuit. So whenever I and V असेल तर admittance म्हणतो, but variables are of different ports, then it is called as transfer. So open circuit transfer admittance. Open circuit transfer admittance. So what is the unit of C? That is the mho. As it is admittance, the unit is mho. Understood? So when you are putting first condition, when I2 equal to 0, that is port 2 to dash is open circuited, you will get two parameters A and C. So A is voltage gain and C is admittance. Okay. So transfer admittance and voltage gain. So remember these points. Now next one, next condition we are putting now V2 equal to 0. जेव्हा V2 equal to 0 ठेवता तेव्हा B आणि D मिळेल. Okay. So we will get that equation now. So next condition what? When V2 equal to 0. V2 equal to 0 means port 2 2 dash is short circuited. Second port काय करायचं आपल्याला आता? Short circuit करायचं. Okay. So in transmission parameters you are doing opening and shorting the ports related to port 2 only. Port 1 ला काही करायचं नाही. Okay. Now when V2 equal to 0 you will get two parameters, that is B and D. So what is the equation of B? We will observe the equation number 1 and 2. So B is nothing but V1 upon I2 with minus sign and D is equal to I1 upon I2. Okay. So I will write B is equal to minus V1 upon I2 and D is equal to minus I1 upon I2. So these two equations we will get. So condition is what? V2 equal to 0, V2 equal to 0. So what is the name of B now? As we are making short circuit, so it is called as short circuit. Short circuit. Now next one, V upon I. V upon I means what? Impedance. Okay. But एकच पोर्टचे आहेत का? नाही. त्यासाठी त्याला काय म्हणायचं? ट्रान्सफर. सो शॉर्ट सर्किट transfer impedance. Transfer impedance. So impedance unit काय असतो? Ohm. Okay, this is the ohm. Now D is called as what? I upon I. So I upon I means what? Current gain. So it is reverse again. I1 वरती I2 खाली आहे, त्यामुळे काय म्हणायचं त्याला आता? शॉर्ट सर्किट is due to V2 0. शॉर्ट सर्किट रिव्हर्स करंट गेन म्हणूया. रिव्हर्स current gain. No unit, as it is represent I divided by I, it is unitless. So we have covered now all the parameters A, B, C, D. How to find out? By putting the condition I2 equal to 0 and V2 equal to 0. Now next condition as a note point. So what is? The network is reciprocal. The network is reciprocal oblique bilateral if AD minus BC is equal to 1. If AD minus BC is equal to 1. So this will be the condition. So most of the times they are asking this point in the MCQ. So what is that? AD minus BC is equal to 1. So any doubt in this ABCD parameters? If no doubt is there, we can try to solve one problem here. Okay. So same network we can take and we will solve the ABCD parameters now. AD minus BC is equal to 1. Chal. So I will take that. Okay. So we are solving the problem now. So first of all, find ABCD parameters किंवा ट्रान्समिशन असंही विचारलं जातं. फाइंड ABCD parameters of given two-port network. Find ABCD parameters of given two-port network. So what I will do, I will okay. So what we will do, we will take one simple problem and our common diagram we will take as a homework. Okay. आता काय करूया, एक simple problem घेऊया. First of all, we will solve this problem, and our network, that is 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm and 4 ohm, that you can take as a homework. So this will be 1 ohm, 5 ohm and 2 ohm. So new network we will take. This is 1 dash, this is 2 dash. If name not given for the port, you can take. Okay, A dash, B dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, whatever you can take. Okay, now the given network is in the form of T network. So find ABCD parameters of a given two-port network. We have to find out ABCD parameters. So we will write here. So transmission parameters in bracket ABCD parameters we are finding. So start with equations. So what will be the equation now? V1 and I1 acting as a dependent, V1 and I1. So A into V2 minus B into I2, C into V2 minus D into I2. So how to remember the equations? How to remember the equations? V1 I1 dependent, V2 I2 independent. Okay. आता हे exchange करू नका. Many students writing A into I2, B into V2. Don't do like this. Always first position for voltage. इथं पण first position voltage साठी आहे ना. So here also the first position, if you are selecting this direction, always the first position is for voltage. So A into V2 minus B into I2, C into V2 minus D into I2. So this is equation number 1 and 2. So first condition we are putting, that is I2 equal to 0. I2 equal to 0 means what? We are making second port open. Okay, हा port open ठेवायचा as it is. So we will do the correction, or sorry, we will do the changes in the diagram. So first point, when I2 equal to 0, okay, when I2 equal to 0, that is port 2 dash is open circuited. That is port 2 dash is open circuited. So according to that, you can once again draw the diagram with respect to the condition. So condition काय, I2 equal to 0 means second port you have to make it open, and according to that you can write all the variables in the question. Variables not given, you have to take. So this is 1 ohm, 5 ohm, 2 ohm, 1 dash, 2 dash. So what you have to take now? I2 equal to 0. I2 equal to 0. So voltage across second port will be V2 as it is. Voltage across first port will be plus minus V1, and this current will be the I1. Okay. So I2 0 means what? No current is flowing through 2 ohm. म्हणजे ह्याच्या across voltage काय असणार आहे? 0 volt. इकडचं पण करंट जाणार नाही कारण ओपन सर्किट आहे. ओके, सो वेन एव्हर I2 equal to 0, you will get two parameters, that is what you are getting, A is equal to V1 upon V2 and C is equal to I1 upon V2. So A is voltage gain, remember, and C is the admittance. Okay, so we are going to find out now A and C. आता आपल्याला V1 आणि V2 घ्यायचे. So what is the voltage V2? V2 म्हणजेच काय? V2 is nothing but voltage across 5. बरोबर आहे की नाही? If you are observing, V2 is nothing but what? Voltage across 5. म्हणजे ह्याच्यातला जर करंट माहित असेल तर मला V2 फाइंड आउट करता येतो. ओके, सिमिलरली व्हॉट इज V1? V1 इज नथिंग बट टोटल करंट I1 इंटू टोटल इम्पेडन्स. मग टोटल इम्पेडन्स काय असणार आहे? 1 आणि 5 दॅट कनेक्टेड इन सिरीज, बिकॉज whatever the I1 is there, that will be flowing in this direction. I1 इकडे जाणार नाही किंवा डिवाइड होणार नाही. ओके, सो I1 is flowing in this direction. So if you are making 5 into I1, you will get V2. आणि V1 कसं येणार आहे? V1 is equal to I1 into 1 plus I1 into 5. Okay, so we will starting to find out. First of all, now V1 is equal to total impedance Z equivalent 1 into I1. So Z equivalent 1 you can find out. Observe from this side. हा resistor येणार नाही. Don't consider this resistor. So 5 and 1 are connected in series. So Z equivalent 1 is equal to 1 plus 5, that is 6 ohm. Okay, therefore V1 is equal to 6 into I1. So as 6 you are putting in this equation, you will get V1 is equal to 6 into I1. So how this came? By Ohm's law. V1 is equal to Z equivalent 1 into I1, that came from Ohm's law. So V1 is equal to 6 I1. So this is, I will consider as a equation number 3. Also from circuit, what you can say, total voltage V2 is nothing but 5 into I1. So V2 is equal to 5 into I1. So this is equation number 4. आता तुम्हाला काय पाहिजे? A is equal to V1 upon I2 पाहिजे. V1 upon V2 पाहिजे. मग इथं V1 आहे, इथं V2 आहे. त्यांचा तुम्ही रेशो घ्या. Take ratio of equation 3 and 4. We get त्यांचा दोन्हीचा रेशो घ्या V1 upon V2. So what is V1 upon V2? V1 upon V2 is equal to 6 into I1 divided by 5 into I1. So I1 will get cancelled. So what is V1 upon V2? That is nothing but A. So A is equal to V1 upon V2 is equal to 6 upon 5. So what is this voltage gain? So no unit. Okay, so value of A is 6 upon 5. So 6 upon 5, if you are taking into decimal, it comes like 1.2, I think. Okay, so 1.2. So this is the answer of A. आता नेक्स्ट बघा, नेक्स्ट C is equal to I1 upon V2. मग तुम्हाला असं इक्वेशन मिळायला पाहिजे ज्यातून हे दोन व्हेरिएबल दिसतील. मग इथं ह्याच्यात तुम्हाला दिसतंय का बघा, V1 I1 आहे, पण इथं I1 V2 पाहिजे. ओके, या इक्वेशन मध्ये आहे, इक्वेशन नंबर 4, V2 पण आहे आणि I1 पण आहे. आपल्याला V2 पण पाहिजे, I1 पण पाहिजे. फक्त हा इक्वेशन तुम्ही अरेंज करा, तुम्हाला C चा आन्सर मिळेल. सो व्हॉट इज द आन्सर ऑफ C नाउ? Take the equation number 4. I1 upon V2 केल्यानंतर 1 upon 5. Okay, 1 upon 5 is the answer of C. That we will take now. So from equation number 4, from equation number 4, from equation number 4, we get, what we get? I1 upon V2 is equal to 1 upon 5. Okay, so what is I1 upon V2? That is C. C is equal to I1 upon V2 is equal to 1 upon 5 किंवा 0.2 म्हणतो, 0.2. सो व्हॉट इज I upon V? I upon V म्हणजेच ऍडमिटन्स. सो ऍडमिटन्सचं युनिट काय असते? मो. सो दिस इज द आन्सर ऑफ C. So this is the answer of C. So very simple it is. Okay, so given network, how it is given, based on that you will get the answers. नाव नेक्स्ट कंडिशन और सेकंड कंडिशन काय म्हणतो आपण, व्हेन V2 इक्वल टू 0. आता मगाशी ओपन केलं, आता काय करायचं, शॉर्ट. व्हेन V2 इक्वल टू 0, दॅट इज पोर्ट 2 डॅश इज शॉर्ट सर्किटेड. सेकंड पोर्ट आता काय करायचं, शॉर्ट करायचं. So when you are shorting this, you will get two parameters, that is B and D. So B is equal to what, minus, okay, V1 upon I2, and D is equal to minus I1 upon I2. So D means what, gain, current gain, and B is impedance, so V upon I. Okay, so these two parameters you will get, B and D, when you are shorting the second port. So according to the new condition, you have to draw the diagram, make the second port short. If you are making the second port short, it is looking like this. 2 dash you are making short. So this is the 1 ohm, 2 ohm, and this will be the 5 ohm. So this is 1 dash. So variable you can mention. This is plus minus V1. Okay, current is I1 as it is. हा current as it is असणार आहे, that is I2, but V2 equal to what, 0. So this is the condition, V2 equal to 0 means you are shorting the second port. So current I2 will be like this. So what we can see, V1 and I1, and this is I2. So I2 is due to what, I1. I2 हा करंट कशामुळे असणार आहे, I1 मुळे. बट डायरेक्शन ऑफ I1 इज लाईक दिस, I1 इथपर्यंत येणार. सो ऍट दिस पॉइंट करंट विल गेट्स डिवाइड. काही करंट 5 ओम मधून जाणार, उरलेलं करंट 2 ओम मधून जाणार. जो 2 ओम मधून जाणार आहे तोच I2 असणार आहे. सो व्हॉट आय विल डू, आय विल टेक ॲज अ Ix. So Ix we can find out by using current division. So Ix is nothing but minus I2. These are the same current, only direction will be changed. So Ix we can replace as a minus I2. Okay, so what we are doing here, we can find out first of all what we will do. So V1 upon I2 is there, okay, and I1 I2 will be there. So I1 I2 मध्ये तुम्हाला रिलेशन जर दाखवायचं असेल, so you have to use the current division. So let Ix is equal to minus I2. Let Ix is equal to minus I2. So by current division, Ix is equal to, now current division you can apply here. Ix is equal to total current I1, into Ix इकडनं फ्लो होणार आहे 2 ओम मधून, त्याच्या अपोजिट कुठलं आहे 5. सो इंटू 5 डिवायडेड बाय 5 लगेच लिहायचं, प्लस ज्या ब्रांच मधून Ix फ्लो होणार आहे त्या ब्रांचचा रेजिस्टन्स किती आहे, 2. सो व्हॉट इज दिस वन, I1 into 5/7. So this is the Ix. So what is Ix? Ix is nothing but minus I2. So minus I2 is equal to I1 into 5/7. Okay, so you can call it as this as a equation number 3 we have taken, 4 we have taken. So this is equation number 5. आता I2 आणि I1 दोन्ही मिळाले या इक्वेशन मध्ये. सो I1 I2 हिअर ऑल्सो प्रेझेंट. सो D विल गेट, D तुम्हाला लगेच मिळेल इक्वेशन नंबर 5 वरून. पण रेशो कसं आहे बघा, I1 अपॉन I2 विथ मायनस साइन आहे. सो मायनस इज ऑलरेडी देअर. सो I1 अपॉन I2 करा. सो व्हॉट यू विल गेट, D. What is answer of D now? So what I will do, minus I1 upon I2 is equal to 7/5 येणार. So what is minus I1 upon I2? That is D. D is equal to minus I1 upon I2 is equal to 7/5. So this is I upon I means current gain. So no unit is there. So 7/5 you can calculate. That will be coming 1.4. Okay, both answer will be correct. Either you can keep in 7/5 or 1.4. So this is the answer of D. So what is the difficulty here? If you are applying the current division जर तुम्ही अप्लाय केलात, सो I2 and I1 मध्ये रिलेशन मिळेल. सो दॅट इज इक्वेशन नंबर 5. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू okay, so we got now the value of D. So next one, we have to get the relation between V1 and I2. We have to get the relation between V1 and I2. Okay, so total voltage V1 here you have to find out now. So what we will do here, to find out V1 and I2 relation, what we can do, we will find out Z equivalent, Z equivalent dash we can say. Z equivalent dash we can find out. So V1 is equal to I1 into Z equivalent dash. Okay. So किंवा Z equivalent म्हणलं तरी चालेल. So Z equivalent we can find out. Let V1 is equal to Z equivalent 1 into I1. So Z equivalent 1 we can find out. So Z equivalent 1 is equal to. So how they are connected? कसं connect झालेले आहेत? If you are observing from this side, how 2 ohm and 5 ohm are connected in parallel, and that is in series with 1. So Z equivalent dash म्हणूया किंवा 1 म्हणूया. Z equivalent dash is equal to 5 is parallel with 2 and that is in series with 1. So 5 into 2 divided by 5 plus 2 plus 1 as it is. So 10 divided by 7 plus 1. So if you are taking again cross multiplication, 10 in 10 plus 7, that is 17 divided by 7. So this is Z equivalent dash. Okay, so this will be the equation number 6. Put this in equation number 6. So what you are getting, V1 is equal to 17 upon 7 into I1. Okay, so this will be new equation, that is equation number 7. So आता काय करायचंय, we want V1. A चे B चे इक्वेशन काय बघा, what is B here, V1 आणि I2 मध्ये रिलेशन पाहिजे. So already V1 is present. So think how to replace I1. I1 तुम्हाला I2 मध्ये रिप्लेस करता येतो का बघा. So we can take the help of equation number 5. मग equation number 5 काय बघा, equation number 5 is I1 is equal to minus I2 into 7 by 5 करता येईल का. ओके, सो I1 एका साईडला ठेवायचा आणि बाकी सगळं एका साईडला घेऊन तो काय करायचा, I1 तुम्ही या इक्वेशन मध्ये ठेवू शकता. सो इक्वेशन नंबर 7 इज ऑलरेडी रेडी. सो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर 5, I1 is equal to minus 7 by 5 into I2. From equation number 5, I1 is equal to minus 7 by 5 into I2. So put this in equation number 7. Put this in equation number 7. थोडं तुम्हाला rearrange करावं लागेल सर्किट. Okay, you have to somewhat rearrange. So put this in equation number 7. We will get, so 7 number equation काय, V1 is equal to 17 upon 7 into minus 7 by 5 into okay I2. आता हा 7 आणि हा 7 कॅन्सल झाला, मायनस इज ऑलरेडी देअर. V1 आणि I2 मध्ये रिलेशन मिळालं. सो व्हॉट इज दॅट वन, B इज इक्वल टू मायनस V1 अपॉन I2. ओके, so minus V1 upon I2 is equal to 17 by 5. So what is minus V1 upon I2? That is nothing but what, B. So B is equal to minus V1 upon I2 is equal to 17 by 5. Okay, so what is the unit of 17 by 5? B चे युनिट काय असणार आहे, इम्पेडन्स. सो इम्पेडन्सचे युनिट काय असणार आहे, ओहम. सो 17 by I think it is 3.4. So 3.4 ohm. 17 by 5 किंवा 3.4 ohm. So this will be the answer of B. Any doubt in this? याच्यात काय डाऊट आहे, काय केलं बघा, टोटल व्होल्टेज V1 घेतलं, इज इक्वल टू Z इक्विव्हॅलेंट 1 किंवा डॅश म्हणू शकता इथं, Z equivalent 1 dash into I1. So Z equivalent 1 you can find out. Don't take the previous चे घेऊ नका, कारण previous कंडिशन काय होता, I2 equal to 0 होतं. आता इथं काय असणार आहे कंडिशन, V2 equal to 0 है. Okay, so find out that Z equivalent 1 dash. So you will get 17 by 7. So put this in equation number 6. You will get relation between V1 and I1. So that you can consider as equation number 7. मग आता तुम्हाला V1 तर पाहिजेच to calculate B. V1 is there. So think about how to replace I1 in terms of I2. From equation number 5, you will get the relation between I1 and I2. So I1 is equal to minus 7 by 5 into I2. That you can put in above equation. So by cancelling 7, you will get B is equal to minus V1 upon I2 is equal to 17 by 5. That is nothing but 3.5 ohm. So why it is unit ohm? Because V upon I means impedance. The unit of B is impedance. Okay, so finally you can put all those in one box. So ABCD parameters, ABCD parameters you can put, that is A is equal to, A चा आंसर किती आलाय? A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to and D is equal to. Okay, what is the answer of A? A चे किती आलाय आंसर? I will check. So A is equal to 6 by 5. A is equal to 6 by 5. B is equal to 17 by 5. C is equal to 1 by 5 and D is equal to, D किती आलेला आहे? So D is 7 by 5. D is also 7 by 5. So make it in a one box. So write unit. A is voltage gain, B is ohm and C is mho. Okay, chalo. We will stop today. In the next lecture, we will start the interrelation between parameters. त्यांच्यामध्ये relation कसं आहे that we will discuss. So one network already know 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm and 4 ohm. त्या नेटवर्कचं तुम्हाला ABCD पॅरामीटर फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. टेक ॲज अ होमवर्क. ते होमवर्क म्हणून घ्या.